welcome to my kitchen and to this new series on family cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy paella using just a few ingredients that you might find in your freezer, fridge and store cupboard. So you'll need some paella rice. I've got 300 grams here to feed 4 people. You could use arborio rice if that's what you've got. Some frozen king prawns. You can use a mixture of seafood again if that's what you've got in your freezer. 1 onion, a couple of garlic cloves, a stock cube. I'm going to put some chorizo in mine, but again, leave it out if you don't like it. A tin of chopped tomatoes, some parsley and lemon, some saffron, and finally some paprika. So my first job is just to finely chop the onion, crush the garlic and slice the chorizo. Ingredients are all prepared and we're ready to start cooking. Okay, over to the hob. I'm just going to heat a nice medium-sized pan over a medium heat and add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. And to that I'm going to add the onions. Now I'll just sweat those for a few minutes until they're nice and tender. The onions are looking nice and soft now, so I'm going to add in the garlic and the chorizo. And we'll just cook that for another couple of minutes. While our chorizo is sizzling, I'm just going to make the stock cube up with about 500 mils of water. You'll need 900 mils for this recipe in total, but I'll add the rest later. And I'll also add to that a pinch of saffron. Now again, if you can't find saffron, don't worry too much, you can leave it out. It just adds a really nice authentic flavour, and you just want a tiny pinch. So you can see the chorizo has let off some of its lovely paprika slicked oils into the pan, which is exactly what we want. So now we can add some more ingredients. I'm going to add a dash of extra paprika just for a really nice smoky flavour. So you want about a teaspoon. Then you can go in with your paella rice and a whole tin of chopped tomatoes. And just give that a nice stir. Okay, so that's just been cooking for a minute. Now we're going to pour in our hot chicken stock with that saffron in the water. And I'm going to cook that for about 15 minutes and top it up with a little bit more water as it cooks. You'll need about 900 mils in total of stock in there, or liquid. So just cook that for about 15 minutes without a lid on, letting it bubble away and stirring it every now and then until the rice is just starting to become a little bit more tender. So the rice has been cooking for about 15 minutes now, and you can see it's absorbed most of the liquid. I've added the full 900 mils now. So I'm just going to mix in the prawns and cook that for about another 5 minutes, or just until those prawns are cooked through. Okay, so I just popped the lid on for the last few minutes to help the prawns cook through, and you can take it off now, and the rice and the prawns are all cooked really nicely. So just one final thing, we're going to add a squeeze of lemon and some chopped parsley, and we're ready to serve. So no surprise, I've been joined by one of my little ones for the tasting. Is it nice?
No.
Is it a prawn?
No.
Yeah. So that is a really easy version of a classic paella that you can make at home using a few ingredients. I really hope you love it. Do you want some more?
No.
Yeah.